Yeah.
Few more. No, but for real, like,
Marco.
trust me, let's start like this.
I don't have all day, man. Okay, guys, listen. Don't have that much time. Today is the first day, which is actually warm. I think the winter is finally over. We have a couple things to do, and we're gonna film like a day in life video.
We need to get Civic ready because it's been sold. Few things to do, like looking wise, just clean it off, change the wheels because the guy bought them without the wheels. We have a bit of cleaning to do in garage. We have some fan mail that we might open at the end of this video.
We have this gross.
Don't even start about how many grooves we have here.
First things to do is we need to put the wheel nuts in the Civic because each wheel has 2 wheel nuts on. So we're gonna do 4 wheel nuts each wheel, and then we're gonna try to drive it out, go wash it.
Take some time.
Yeah, go wash it and then have a ride.
Okay, it's finally time to sort this JDM body shop out. It's too much of a mess. Oh shit! Fuck! Ay! It's broken. Wow.
Yeah, it's working or it's not working? Because it's.
Sam, what did you just do?
Okay, so I left the camera on the floor and the tripod wasn't tightened up. Marco, what happened with our favorite lens?
Well,
the most expensive
You
lens.
see how it nicely goes here? Yeah, super nice. But then here it goes inside a bit.
Oh no, man. Okay, try to open it. Ay. No good, man. Show me.
Here, but that's fixable.
Let me fix. No, don't do that. No, Mark, you're gonna fuck this up.
That was a nice polarizer. Marco, what do
I
you mean
put it
fixed?
back.
But the thread is gonna be fucked anyway.
No, okay. Really? Look,
Show me.
this was the spot.
Wow. Okay, let me film my shot. Bozo, you nicely washed the floor, yeah?
Yes.
Very nice. Nicely washed the floor. We went to eat like normal people.
Yeah, we went to eat like normal people. We got stuff ordered, but I like their style, Picasso.
So, welcome in the chilling zone. Here we have like sausage like
You put the grill on a on a wood. That's very clever. Why is your sausage so short?
On the floor.
Okay, we have day 2 here in the garage. Basically there's a couple things going on at the same time. Bozo here is working on his grooves. Yesterday we brought my Miata because there's a couple of issues with the engine that I want to fix. We have a TV, we're gonna set up, like we're supposed to set up a stream, but guys are playing Skate 3 and Bozo's working on his Beamer. Also, I've ordered some things. This and this is for Boogie and G for the Team Blue Monkey cars. Our cars, mine and Bozo's, they're gonna be literally the same, like sister cars, so we're gonna have this night and ride, obviously, number plate, so when we go tandem and each of us has one of these, it's gonna look cool. And also there's this cutie for Kevin. I can actually put it now, Kevin.
Okay, so just before the video ends, we're gonna make 3 quick announcements. And the first one is that we're going to America in 3 weeks or so. We're gonna go for Drift Week event, and it's gonna be about 2 weeks of madness. We're gonna film so many videos there. We're going there with our very good friend Gobla, who's gonna drift there with his Mustang. He just invited us, so we're like, why not? We're very excited because it's actually gonna be our first time in America, going somewhere that far and film, and gonna be very exciting to meet all the new people.
The second news is that we have a new sponsor, Novel. It's the company that produces painting and like bodywork products, and they hit us up with a fresh shelf with the products, so we don't actually need to go shop and buy all this stuff. We have a nice shelf in the garage, which is super cool. When we actually met them for the first time, we told them that we are not professionals because we don't have a knowledge and experience, so they proposed that they're gonna take us to their factory and we're gonna have a 2-day course of like painting and getting cars ready for paint and all that stuff. So we should get better at this in the next videos.
And the third announcement is, as some of you already know, we are going to Barcelona for a drip event this summer with Kevin actually. We're gonna drive with Lavetka all the way to Barcelona, and our old CRV is not really good for the trip. So we decided that it's time for a little upgrade. By little I mean very big actually.
A tank.
It's like a tank, I'm telling you. From outside, maybe not very impressive, but it's massive and it's
powerful.
much more powerful than our old Honda. In general, we just needed something much bigger, more powerful. This is gonna be our main car from now on to do day-to-day things. BMW X5 2002 3-liter with gajutek. And now we can actually take Kevin nicely on that. We just need to put a hack. But yeah, should be much nicer.
Not the prettiest from outside, but actually inside it's pretty good condition and like...
I'm happy that it's not opcja bedak.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's nice. Nicer inside than outside. But we have to do one modification.
Okay, hopefully it's gonna drive good and gonna be reliable. Boom, inside like that. Automatic, cruise control, obviously all the good stuff that we didn't have in CRV, like heated seats and stuff, and like it's still an old car, of course, 20 years old, but for us it feels super new and like...
Man, this is a 20-year-old car and this feels like a brand new Maybach to me.
Brand new factory.
Really, to me
For what we used to have. Yeah.
it's a big upgrade.
Why?
And also, two English for sale.